Hi everyone. We are Team WebTech comprising of me, Adrita Bragahai and Prachurya Nath. And the project that we have created is a website named Waste Check. Disposing of waste has a huge environmental impact and can cause serious problems. Needless to say, the most important reason for proper waste management is to protect the environment and for the health and safety of the population. So it is a very important topic that needs to be addressed, and everyone should be aware why waste segregation can be the difference between the survival of the earth and the worsening effects in the natural biological system. So often people, mostly in our country, dispose waste without the knowledge of proper waste management. They do not think before trashing items and disposing them off. So there is a need for an analysis on the current waste management scenario and the effects of ineffective waste management. So in order to tackle this problem, we have created our website Waste Check. It provides an easy solution to a big problem of waste management through deep learning, which classifies products into three types: plastic, recyclable, and organic. Along with this, we are giving a brief overview about different types of pollution. Now, the main feature of our website is an e-commerce site for waste items that might be recyclable and reusable. It facilitates easy, quick, and safe payment based on Ethereum network of blockchain. So finally, the tech stack that we have used are HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap as a front end, Plus for backend, TensorFlow, NumPy, and OpenCV for machine learning. And as for blockchain, we have used Web3 Pi and MetaMask. This is the homepage of our website. As you can see, it has a very beautiful UI. And we have mainly two features here. One is the No More button. This passes on to a web page where there is more information about the problem that we wish to tackle and how this website is helping to solve the problem. In the homepage, if you can scroll down, there are two options. One leads to a web page wherein we click photos in order to see the type of waste, and the second web page leads to the e-commerce site. So now I would like to pass on to Prachurya.
Thank you, Adrita, for showing us the home page. Now, as you can see, we have two features mainly. This is the first feature that classifies objects into different types of classes like organic, plastic, and recyclable. Here you can select a picture. As you can see, now I'm selecting a recyclable upload, and when we click upload, it takes on the uh, neural network or convolutional neural network that is a part of deep learning and classifies into a recyclable waste. And here we can see we have different details given. And now we are going back home. Now the next feature is a sale zone. This is a e-commerce platform for buying and selling object and different types of products. Like here we can see old car, bed, fridge, old TV. Here we can click on admin dashboard. As you can see, this is the products. Now we can also add new products. As you can see, now I'm adding just a dummy product like and description and price like 10 and account ID, and I'm just providing a dummy variable, dummy photo like this one. And when we click on save product, it gets added to the total list. Now if you go back to sales zone, we can see our new product here below. And that's the next feature is you can click on buy now, and it opens a MetaMask Ethereum network, and here you can directly buy the product from that seller. And our website is basically in progress, and we can add more feature, and we have to add authentication and other features that will complete our project. Thank you.